Hi, I'm Benjamin and I'm 4 years old and I like your podcast.
Hello, I'm Noah, and this is Like You, a mindfulness podcast for kids. I'm very glad you're here. I always look forward to the time we get to spend together during this podcast. I want to say thank you to Benjamin for sending the message you heard at the beginning of the show. If you want to hear your own voice on Like You, ask a grown-up to record a voice memo and email it to us at likeyoupod@gmail.com. There's more information in the show notes for this episode on our website, likeyoupodcast.com. For the grown-ups listening, please consider joining us on Patreon to help us continue making episodes of Like You. Today, we're going to do a breathing exercise that imagines we're cleaning up the attic. What? I know cleaning the attic may not sound like fun, but with our imaginations, we're going to create a wonderful, relaxing space. So, find a place to listen where you feel comfortable and safe. Remember, when I ask you questions or tell you to repeat something, you can speak out loud or just think it quietly in your head. Let's start with a breathing exercise that uses our imagination. Close your eyes if that helps you imagine, or leave them open if you prefer to imagine that way. I want you to picture a dark, dusty attic. It's full of old, forgotten junk. No one has cleaned or organized it in a long time. It's probably not a place you want to spend much time. Maybe you're curious because you've never seen inside the attic, but it's certainly not a comfy and relaxing place to hang out. We're going to change that now by pretending you have magic breath. With our first breath, imagine you are blowing all the dust away. Take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Now breathe out and blow all the dust away. With your next magic breath, imagine that all the junk in the attic is suddenly neatly stacked and organized, and all the mess is gone. Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Now blow and organize the attic. Things are looking a little nicer up here, but it's still a little dark. So let's brighten things up. With your next magic breath, imagine that new light bulbs light up and all the darkness goes away. Take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. And now blow away the darkness. Great job. Now let's brighten things up a little more. Think about your favorite color and tell me what it is. With this next breath, you will magically paint all the walls your favorite color. So take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Now blow magic color onto the wall. Wow! This place actually looks really nice now. Let's imagine that you have a big, comfy, cozy chair with fluffy cushions. Imagine you're taking a seat in this comfy chair. You can almost feel the cushions hugging you. You relax your shoulders and settle into the chair. You are so relaxed that you breathe one more long, relaxed breath like this. It's amazing how much better you can feel when you take the time to brighten things up. What if I told you you can do the same thing with your mind? When you feel all your thoughts jumbled up, you can stop, take a few deep breaths, and clear your mind just like we cleared the attic. Another way to brighten things up, like we did when we added light and paint, is to say affirmations that help you feel brightened up. So let's do that now. To share our affirmations for today, please welcome my friend Maya.
Hey, it's Maya. Are you ready to say some affirmations? Listen the first time, then say it with me the second time. I like me. I like me. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I deserve to be loved. I deserve to be loved. My positive thoughts create positive feelings. My positive thoughts create positive feelings. All of my problems have solutions. All of my problems have solutions. I get better every single day. I get better every single day.
Thank you for those affirmations, Maya. Let's end today's episode with a relaxing song. While you listen, imagine you're back in that comfy, fluffy chair in your newly bright and wonderful attic. You can take deep breaths and let each part of your body relax. I breathe in, I breathe out, I wander head to toe and I check things out. My head is loose, my shoulders too, my neck and my tummy know just what to do. My arms and legs are letting go, relaxing from my head down to my toes. I breathe in, I breathe out, I wander head to toe and I check things out. I can't wait to spend some time together again soon. Until next time, I like you, I'm proud of you, and I'm glad we are friends. Have a happy and peaceful day. Like You is written and produced by me, Noah Glenn. I also composed and performed the Like You theme music and the original song Head to Toe. The podcast artwork was illustrated by Mia Saine, who also shared today's affirmations. This episode features additional music by Rowan Hudson's Passing Ships and Skygaze. To all the grown-ups listening, please consider supporting this podcast by visiting patreon.com/likeyoupodcast. It starts at as little as $3 a month, which is less than $1 per episode. If you're unable to offer financial support, you can still show us some love by leaving a review on Apple Podcasts and by telling your friends about the show. You can also send us voice memos, drawings, and pictures by emailing likeyoupod@gmail.com. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at likeyoupod, and thanks for listening.